So in this video we are going to see placenta and umbilical cord. Two different topics. So let's see what is placenta first. So placenta is simply kind of temporary organ. We just consider them as a temporary organ because it does not stay as long as other organs. So temporary organs. Secondly, it makes link between what? Between fetus and mother. And it removes metabolic waste from fetus as well. Remove metabolic waste from fetus. Then it secretes two kind of hormones as well. Secrete hormones. What type of hormones are these? These are lactogen, and we have another which is called as progesterone. Lactogen, which is simply it involves to the development of memory gland, develop in memory gland for lactation. Lactation is process when a mother feed their baby in the milk form. Then comes second one, which is progesterone. It maintains complete pregnancy period and everything. It is quite important. I hope it will be clear. Then we have just this is all. Then let's see what's written. First thing, placenta is temporary organ develops during the pregnancy and serves as an interface between the maternal and fetal circulatory system. So yes, this is a temporary organ and it maintains interference between maternal, like the mom, and the fetal circulatory system, heart, and these all. It is formed from the chorion. Its chorion is for simply trophoblast, which have two parts. The first one was something else. Second one was chorion. So that was chorion, the outermost fetal membrane, which is trophoblast. Then and the decidia, which is the remaining part of the trophoblast. If this was here was the cyst, here was the trophoblast. So the remaining part was called as this decidia. Decidua. The lining of the uterus. In the lining of the uterus, the placenta is attached to the urinary wall and connected to the fetus by the umbilical cord. So I hope it will be clear then. Then we have placenta, which is a disc-like shape and composed of two layers. Yes, this placenta has two layers, maternal side and fetal side. So the maternal side is placenta, two types, maternal, and we have second one, which is fetal side. So what would be in these one? First thing, the maternal side, which is simply when placenta is rough and irregular in shape, irregular or rough. Then the second one, rough, while the fetal side is smooth and rounded. So they have a particular shape, smooth and rounded. I hope it will be clear. Then the maternal side contain maternal blood vessels and bring oxygen to nutrients. So here oxygen is provided to the nutrients, and in the rest one, while the fetal contain blood vessels to remove waste. This simply remove waste. It simply remove waste in the form of carbon dioxide from the fetal blood. So this means, of course, we know placenta helps in exhaling and inhaling. So oxygen will be provided by maternal. Fetal side would responsible for removal of waste in the form of carbon dioxide through the placenta. I hope it will be clear. We'll read it. Smooth, round fetus product carbon dioxide, and these all. Then comes the umbilical cord, which is simply a Latin word which is umbilicals. It's a tube-like structure which contains the developing of fetus from the placenta. It's simply a tube-like structure which connect developing fetus to the placenta, which has one umbilical vein and two umbilical arteries. So it contains one artery and two arteries, one vein, and they're used by the fetal heart to pump blood and form to the placenta, which exchange nutrient waste product with the mother's circulatory system. After birth, the umbilical cord is clamped and cut, leaving small stump, and that become a belly button. So basically, if I just make you understand what is this one umbilical cord, you might have seen a tube like that is cut during the child is born, and it is attached with the belly button. So this tube is very much important because it provides food. Everything from mother to fetus, mother to baby is exchanged by this. During pregnancy, it cut down, and here the belly button remain out. So yes, here you can see which is having other so many functions. So yes, I hope it will be clear. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.